Let me solve the next question on volume integration. Okay, and the question is, let f is equal to 2xz I cap minus xj cap plus y square k cap. To evaluate integration f dv, where v is the region bounded by the surfaces x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, z is equal to x square, and z is equal to 4. Okay, so this is actually the vector function f, and we have to find out integration f dv. So we have to find out volume integration f dv. Okay, and here f is, we have to put 2xz I cap minus xj cap plus y square k, and dv is just dx dy dz. So we have to integrate component wise. Okay, so for the coefficient of I cap, we have volume integration 2xz into dx dy dz into I cap. Okay, or you can take I cap as outside, and minus we can take it j cap into integration x dx dy dz, and the final expression is, final term is plus k cap into integration y square into dx dy dz. Okay, now you have to put the limit. If you want, you can draw these surfaces, but you don't need to draw each and every time, because I have told earlier that you have to first choose the limit of z. Okay, so here you can see z is varies from 4 to x square. Okay, so z is varies from, so here x square to 4, you can say x square to 4, z is equal to x square, and then z is equal to 4. Okay, so z will vary from x square to 4. So you can put here the limit of z each and every case is x square to 4, x square to 4, and here also x square to 4. Then what you have to do, you have to take the limit of y is 0 to 6. So y is varying from 0 to 6, 0 to 6. If you want, you can write, okay, that this is for limit z, and this is for y. Okay, this is for z, and this is for y. Okay, 0 to 6. Now what is the limit for x? So x is varying from 0 to what? If you take z is 4, we have here x square is equal to 4, you can see. Okay, x square is equal to 4 because z is equal to 4, so x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Magnitude of x, okay, is equal to 2. If you take the positive side, then x is equal to 2. So it will be x is equal to 0 to 2. This is your integration. Now it is very easy for you, because first what you have to do, you have to just integrate with respect to first for z, and this is z dz. It will be z square by 2. Let me do one step again. So it will be I cap, okay, to integration 0 to 2 limit of x, and integration 0 to 6 limit of y. Okay, and integration, you have to take this integration now. So here if you take integration z dz, it will be z square by 2, z square by 2. Okay, z square by 2, and the limit of z square is from x square to 4. Z is from x square to 4. So the integration will convert it in terms of x, and we have to write this 2xz as it is, 2x as it is. With integration z dz we have done, and other side dx dy. In this way you have to do the integration as triple integration I have done earlier. Okay, similarly here also minus j cap, and then x is equal to 0 to 2 as it is, 0 to 2, and then y is equal to 0 to 6, and then dz. So x is as it is, integration dz is z, and you have to put the limit of z, that is from x square to 4. Okay, and others are as it is, dx dy, plus you have to do for k cap. So for k cap, x will be as it is from 0 to 2, then y will be from 0 to 6, and then from z again it is dz. So it will be y square as it is, integration of dz is z again, limit will be x square to 4. Okay, x square to 4, and dx dy, dx dy. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to put here instead of z square, you have to put, instead of z you have to put x square and 4, upper limit minus lower limit, and this integration will convert it as x, function of x. So then we have to do that function which is a function of x into dx. Okay, and you have to put the limit of for x, and then we have to put the limit for y also. Okay, similarly for here, and similarly for here. Here we x, two terms are there. One is for x, that is the first term will be 4 minus x square dx, and another will be y square dy. But they are independent because in limit, because the limit are constants. Okay, so let me do it. So for the first term, what you will get? So you will get for the first term, it will be I cap. Okay, equal to I cap into 0 to 2, 0 to 6. Okay, so it will be 0 to 2, and then 0 to 6. Okay, then 2x into, then 2x into x square by 2, that is x square by 2. Okay, so that means first term will be 4 square, that means 16, z square by 2, that will be 16 minus 16 by 2, 16 minus x to the power 4 by 2. Okay, so instead of z square we have put 4 instead of z, so it will be 4 square minus x square to the power 4 into x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Okay, and then dx dy, then dx dy, dx dy. Now you are understanding. 2 will be cancelled out, then it will be the function of x, so you have to integrate x minus x to the power 4 like this. So this, only this term I can do it. So it will be I cap, this is the limit for x. Okay, so limit for y is this, so it will be simply 0 to 6 dy, and for x it will be 0 to 2, and this 2 will be cancelled out, so it will be 16x minus x to the power 5 dx. So you have to integrate this with respect to x and this with respect to y. Similarly we have to go for j cap also, and for j cap you can see this will be 4 minus x square only. Okay, so it will be integration 0 to 2, and then integration 0 to 6. Okay, then x into 4 minus x square, then x into 4 minus x square dx. Okay, and for dy you can only integrate from 0 to 6. Okay, so if you want you can move this integration here, 0 to 6. So this will be with respect to x, 0 to 2, and 0 to 6 is with respect to y. Okay, and the last term that we have for k cap, so here also 4 minus x square, but here is y square, so y square dy will be different. So we have plus k cap into integration 0 to 2, I can write 0 to 2 4 minus x square dx. Okay, 0 to 2 4 minus x square dx, and y square dy 0 to 6, and y square dy 0 to 6. Okay, now the integration is separated. Now you can do it easily with just definite integration. So if you do all these things, then you will get this result. 128 I cap minus 24 j cap plus 384 k cap. So now you can do, you please do the calculation with yourself. Okay, and let's move to next question. And the volume of region common to the intersecting cylinder x square plus y square is equal to a square and x square plus z square is equal to a square. Okay, so you can see the diagram are not easy each and every time. Okay, that's why I am giving you this trick to solve the questions involving multiple integration without drawing the surfaces or drawing the curves. Okay, so you can do it easily. So what you have to do, you have to find out the region of common to the intersecting cylinders and the volume of region common to the intersecting cylinders. So these two cylinders are intersecting some volume and we have to find the volume. Okay, so let me first find the volume in the first octant. Okay, so for the first octant, what will be your volume? For the first octant we have volume integration, volume will be integration dv, volume integration dv, that means dx dy dz, dx dy dz. I have to take the limit of x, y and z. So you can see from here z is vary from, z square will be what? A square minus x square. So z will vary from 0 to root square minus x square, root square minus x square. So the limit of z will be what? So we will get limit of z. So z will vary from 0 to this point. Okay, and then what will be the limit of y? You can see from this equation that x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so y will vary from 0 to a square minus x square. So y will also vary from 0 to root a square minus x square. Now x will vary from, you can see, if you put y is equal to 0, then also you will get x square is equal to y square, a square, and if you put z is equal to 0, then also x square is equal to a square. So you can take this or this, any cylinder you can take, equation you can take, and you will see that x will vary from 0 to a, because x square is equal to a square. So x is equal to a, so x will vary from 0 to a, and as a first octant, so we have taken already the lower limit at 0. Okay, because these are plus minus actually, but we have taken the integration for the first octant, so we have to take the positive values only. Okay, so x will also vary from 0 to 2. Now you have to integrate this dx, dy and dz. Now you can do easily. So what you have to do now, so first with the respect to z, we can integrate with respect to z, so this will be dz. Okay, then with respect to y, it will be dy, and you can see from the limit that when you do the integration for z and y, the whole integration will be expressed in terms of x, and then you have to just integrate with respect to x. So you can see here, so v will be here integration 0 to 2, this is just dx, and now if you talk about integration dy, so it will be y. Okay, y, and y will vary from 0 to root a square minus x square. Another one integration dz to z, and it will also vary from 0 to root a square minus x square, and then dx. We have to now integrate with respect to x, and from here you can see here 1 square minus x square, and here another square minus x square. So root a square minus x square into root x square minus x square, that will be just a square minus x square dx. Okay, and which is from 0 to not 2, 0 to 8, sorry 0 to 8, 2 was previous integration, it was x equal to 0. So it will be a square minus x square dx, and limit will be x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 8. So what will be this? this will be now a square x minus x cube by 3, and you can put the limit from 0 to a, so it will be a cube minus a cube by 3, so it will be 2a cube by 3, 2a cube by 3, 2a cube by 3. Okay, now what will be the total volume? This is the volume for the first octane. Okay, so total volume will be 8 into the volume of first octane. So total volume, you can write, is equal to 8 into 2a cube by 3. So the answer will be 16a cube by 3. Okay, so this is your answer. So I have left for you as an exercise this integration. Okay, this integration, because these are a little lengthy but easy. Okay, because it is a simple definite integration for one variable function separately, but this was very easy, so I have solved it. Okay, calculation is not lengthy, so I have solved it. Okay, because it is very difficult always to solve in this board for long calculation, because I have to move the page. Okay, that will distract me. I have to move the page. Okay, so this portion is finished, the volume integration, and I have discussed before surface integration, before that line integration. Okay, so this portion, that is vector integration, is not finished. Vector integration is not finished. Okay, is finished. Now we will move to vector integration theorem. Vector integration theorem. Okay, then the syllabus of vector calculus will be finished for IIT exam basically, and then I will move to Fourier series. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel. Okay, because I have told rarely that please subscribe my channel, so you should subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends, because if the audience will increase, then I will try to finish the whole syllabus. Okay, so as soon as the audience will be increased, so it will promote me, okay, to, or it will give me some energy to make more and more videos. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, so that audience is increased. Okay.